What's up, guys? Our dog here. These guys want to give you an update on the car quickly. What it's looking like so far. Pretty sweet, pretty slick. But anyway, today we're gonna go down to the river, do a little river adventure. Check it out. River Adventure 2022, guys. This is our dog. I'm out here with my boy D-Shiz. Me and D-Shiz had some problems going on, so we wanted to do this adventure solo. Go check out the river, see what's up, how's the river looking and everything. So let's go take a look, guys. So, like I said, last time I think me and D were here, probably was last year. Yeah, it was last year, probably like August, I think. Yeah, I already hear the river. It's going crazy today, guys. Let's take a walk down. It's your boy R Dog here. Got a nice fresh coffee. Wanted to take Morgan down here today. Update you guys. I got me and my best friend are friends again, but D-Shiz, me and him had some problems. We tried living together and stuff like that, but it didn't really work out. So, but anyway, we're gonna take a trip down to the river today, and we'll give you guys a full tour. Let's go check it out. So anyway, let's take a look. I was thinking of getting a nitro game going, nitro stuff going and stuff. I'm seeing if maybe Morgan wanted to do it too. If not, it's cool. I'll do it solo. But yeah, if you guys can look, it's actually almost April, March 25th, 2022. Back at the river, and you guys obviously can tell everything's dead. Much easier for walking, much easier for hiking. Go check out the spot. And there was a spot over here that me and D, were gonna come down and make for like what was it? A nitro track for our nitro cars. I didn't end up getting one. You know, hard times, guys. But anyway, we're gonna take a walk down here to the river, go check it out, and yeah. But hope you guys are having a great day. I just got out of work, and oh, well, damn. Oh man, guys, look at that. Oh wow, guys, look. We got some, damn, oh yeah, some new shit at the river today. Let's take a walk up here, guys. I can already see. Wow, man, wow, guys, look. River's going real heavy today, guys. Looking real nice today, guys. Real nice. Here's where it all is, guys. The river, guys, river spot. This is where we go, this is where we chill, guys. Someone came down here. I can tell graffiti a little bit. I'm gonna go check that out in a bit. But I think up here is where me and D. Yeah. So this is where me and D were thinking of doing our nitro track. All this, clearing this whole spot out, making a big circle, and making a standoff spot in the middle over there, right over there. But hard times, guys, hard times. Things always don't work out the way we want them, but that's okay, guys. And guys, I got some great advice for you today. I got it from my mom the other day. Don't chase after a dead cat. Never works. But guys, this is our dog back 2022. Gonna be doing more videos. Probably set up my own solo account. Probably put this video on Facebook, YouTube. But anyway, guys, this is it. This is Back at the River 2022. This is it, guys. We got some stuff over here. Got some, yep, got our trail over here. See, some of it was cleared out because a lot of dirt bikes and quads came through here and everything. But over there's the orchard. That's the orchard, guys. Let's go check it out. But yeah, guys, I'm really excited to go to the river today. Didn't know what was going on. Decided I was watching a lot of videos, after work. Well, during work, I'm thinking, you know, I gotta go check myself. I gotta go check the river. I gotta go check out the river, guys. And today it looks really, really, really awesome. It's roaring, it's pushing and everything. So let's go check it out, guys. The river. Wow. Look at that waterfall go. Wow, guys. I already see it from here. Look at all that. That's all the water flowing, guys. So we're about to go check it out right now. Gotta just find my way back to the trail. There we go. And that's it, guys. This is the trail. And this is our spot. Let's see what we got in the updates. Back at the river. Our dog. D-Shiz, I know we have some problems, but dude, I love you. And I hope to see you soon, my brother. We're always going to be D-Shiz. Our dog and D-Shiz. That's what we're always going to be. But for right now, I'm taking requests for any other adventures. Guys, if anybody wants to join me on these adventures and do some videos, hit me up. Our dog at Randy Worst. Facebook. I got my YouTube channel, Sakura Isaka. And Tanade Kachibana. But, yeah, guys. Looks freaking sweet over here. Alright, guys. Check out down at the river. Watch my back over here. I think later I'll have to come back and maybe bring a machete or something. Well, this is it, guys. This is the river spot. Hell yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow. Everything's dead, man. Wonder how it's going to look in the spring. Definitely coming back in the spring, guys. Definitely coming back. Oh, you know what? Actually, you know what? No, this is the hill we always took. But yeah, guys, everything's dead. Obviously, because it's winter still. Winter's slowly coming back. I mean, I'm sorry about that. Winter is slowly ending, and spring's just is coming back. Oh, wow, guys. Yeah. Somebody came back here and tagged again. Damn. Yeah, guys, this is the spot. It's nice to come here when it's all dead. Do some fishing over here, hang out, chill. That's what's up, man. River spot, guys. 2022. 2022. Hell yeah. Let's check it out, guys. Oh, wow. Maybe come down here, do some fishing. Water is extremely high today. And you know what? Something about over here looks different. Maybe because everything's dead now, and that's why. But wow, the water's high today, man. Yep. Chicopee River, guys. That's it, guys. Chicopee River. Our dog. Here at you. Wish you could be here, D. We miss you. Over there's the orchard. For you guys don't know, that's Indian Orchard over there. And all that goes all the way down to the Indian Leap. Was going to try the Leap video today, but I was going to ask a couple people first to, you know, get their opinion on. Oh, there was a seat over here somewhere, but somebody threw it in. Interesting. But, yeah, guys, back at the spot. Now, go check out the waterfall. Do a little bit of hiking today. Next time I'll have to bring my knife and my gun. There's a few spots over here that actually are really nice for fishing. Maybe I should come back and do some fishing, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. So, over here, if you guys remember the video we made a while ago, it's like, ugh, it smells like sour milk. This was the spot, guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no graffiti over here, but this is the one spot, good, nice fishing spot here. I'll have to come back here and try it with my jitterbugs or something. Might come back today, might come back tomorrow. Getting out of work early tomorrow, guys, 9:50. Doing some family time, or, you know, if Morgan can, bring her down here, show her the river, show her where it's all happening, guys. Our dog solo for today. Our dog solo. So, yep, that's one spot, one fishing spot. And there's the river. Go up here. Yeah, it's more fun when you bring actually someone down, but yeah, wall. Yeah, me and D. You guys, of course, you guys remember D. Yeah, D. You guys remember D. We came here in August or September and August. I'm pretty sure. Before the trees were still green. We came here, hanging out. Oh yeah, somebody definitely retagged over here. Check it out, guys. This is our spot, and people come and tag in here. Whoever Salem keeps coming down here and tagging. But damn, guys, look at that waterfall. Damn. Yeah, somebody came back and recolored it, man. Salem, 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 Salem. Whoever may be Salem. Salem. Oh, I wonder if there's someone else. Oh, and then there was something else here. I don't remember. But see, but he's coming down. Huh. Weed whacker line. Yeah, this is the river, guys. Ludlow River, right behind Dee's trailer. Yep. Wow, look at that, guys. Graffiti. They did actually a really nice job. Real nice job on this Salem. Yep, guys, this is the spot. Look at that river go. Wow. Yep. Pouring mad heavy over there, guys. Look at that. Might have been the first video I'm doing on my iPhone, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna start doing it on my Samsung because I'm trying to save the life in this phone. I mean, not the life, but you guys get what I'm saying. Trying to save the storage space in this phone. But yep, that's the spot, guys. Have to come down here with some brews. Maybe bring Morgan down here. I feel like you'd like it, Morgan. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, Derek said there was somebody that dressed up like a stump down here or whatnot. But yeah, that's the spot, guys. Kiddo. So let's take a little walk down the path, guys. Bud Light, must be ours. Bush Light, that must be ours too. Wow, guys, look at that river. Damn, it's flowing. Blowing heavy today, guys. Damn. What's this? Miller Light. Not ours. Wow, look at that waterfall, guys. Chicopee River, what? Chicopee River. Ugh. Yeah, it smells like sour milk today. This is it, guys. Chicopee River waterfall. Wow, it's going today. Damn. River's flowing, guys. River's really flowing. Guys, you feel the breeze over here. Beautiful, beautiful waterfall. Absolutely gorgeous. Love coming down here, especially when the water's like this. Didn't expect it to be like this, but you guys can see all that other water pouring out like that. It's crazy, guys. Crazy. Absolutely beautiful today. Couldn't ask for a better day to come to the waterfall. Our spot, guys. Our dog. Wish you could be here, D. Water's flowing like crazy today. Damn. Oh, yeah. Gotta be careful of that waterfall, guys. You don't want to fall in. Right here is probably the best spot to go. But maybe go a little farther. I don't want to slip and fall in, guys. See how slippy those rocks are? Really, really treacherous and dangerous. These chips are good. These Chippewas are good boots, but they can be slippery. They're not slip resistant, but they're actually really good boots for construction or anything. But when it comes to being slippery, they're not the best. Oh yeah, guys, look at the waterfall. Damn. All right, guys, let's go walk back up. Up, back to the river. Wow, guys, look at the waterfall. I have to make a video of this. While I'm doing the video, I'm gonna have to play a song in the back. I already have the perfect song, one of my favorites I found. But imagine if it wasn't so slippery. Great place to bring a date, guys. Absolutely great place to bring a date. Walk right on the rocks, bring some shoes. Great place to bring a date, guys. So, I've been like single for like 2 years now. I mean, it sucks, but it's all good. But yeah, guys, it's the spot. Yeah, it's looking good, guys. No complaints today. Beautiful day to come to the waterfall. Maybe go home, maybe come back. Maybe I'll come back later, bring some brews, chill, sit by the waterfall. Oh yeah, beautiful day to come to the waterfall. Absolutely gorgeous. And I like these colors they did. The purple and blue matches nice. Whoever Salem is, guys, I come down here a lot and I see your tag. You do fantastic art, man. Whoever you may be. This one's pretty good. It's okay. That one's actually really nice. And to be honest, those bevel letters actually aren't that hard to make. But yeah, guys, waterfall, our dog 2022. There's chilling, man. That's it, guys. Hopefully I can come back today, maybe tomorrow. But absolutely beautiful day, guys, to come to the waterfall. Absolutely gorgeous. And you guys seen it? Trying to get this video after a while. I haven't been around, been going through some stuff here and there. I moved in with D Shiz, worked out, and then it started flaking off. So it didn't really work out for me and D. Haven't seen D in a while, a couple months, maybe a month or so. Let me see, January, February, March. 2 months probably, at least. Can't remember exactly. But I'll have to do another video and let you guys know. But anyway, it's not really important. But yeah, guys, it's the waterfall. It's our spot. You know, this would actually be a nice track for the nitro. Rig a big dirt track and then just drive around here. But I'll let you guys know if I end up getting a nitro. Yeah, guys, it's the spot. Great fishing spot too. Great. My favorite times to come here is definitely in the fall. I haven't come in the fall, but I'm definitely gonna have to come in the fall and check it out and like show you guys the beautiful fall foliage. I was thinking of going to the Leap today, but I mean, as you guys seen in our other videos, me and D tried going to the Leap before. It was good and everything, and there was like no problem. I mean, it was good. So some cops walked up and they're like, "You guys can't really be here." But maybe it's because the guy at the place that we used to park at in that company, you guys seen what D was talking about. He basically, he was saying that maybe the guy called on us because he didn't like us parking there or something. But anyway, I have to do a Leap adventure soon, hopefully. But I'm gonna start coming back here more, hanging out, bringing some friends, chilling, throwing a couple lines out, trying to get some fish. And hopefully me and Derek start talking again. Or if not, you know, your boy R Dog is always here. I'm gonna start making a solo career out of these videos. And you know, it's just tough right now because Derek has a girlfriend, Sharon, and you know, it's just tough, you know, with a girlfriend. You know, sometimes they need more time to spend with each other, which is fine, but still miss coming down here with my boy. It's our spot, guys. Absolutely, it's our spot. Our dog and D Shiz. It's just our dog today, guys. But anyway, hope you guys love the waterfall. It's going on an 18-minute video. Things are going real good. I would say like chingón, güey. Sota curva. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys are having a great Saturday. It's Saturday after work, about 12:30 or maybe almost 1. About almost 1. But yeah, you guys seen it the last video we did. Me and Derek were here, and we were doing some fishing, and I threw my pole in the river. I wonder if that pole's actually still in there. I wonder. But anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Might come back here Sunday, I'm not sure yet, but yeah, guys, here's the river. Yeah, I miss coming down here, guys. Beautiful day, beautiful view, beautiful day to come to the river. Absolutely gorgeous. And now with everything dead, What if my pole's actually over there still? Maybe in those brush. Not sure, because freaking I tossed my pole in there actually. But absolutely beautiful day, guys. So today was gonna actually go to Haviland Pond, but I'm not too sure. Maybe take a ride up to Red Bridge, check it out over there, check out the spot. This is our spot, guys. Me and D-Shiz all made it happen. All them videos, guys. Absolutely beautiful day. Try to come down here with some friends, show them the waterfall, hang out, chill, have a good time. But like I said, I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. Tomorrow's Sunday, getting out early. And not sure what I'm gonna do. I might take a ride up to the lake today and do a video maybe up there to show you guys what it's been like. We went last time over to the lake, and it was good, but it was still frozen. But I mean, it's been a lot warmer lately, so it's about like 50 degrees out right now, and it says it's gonna rain. You can see the cloud coverage definitely is real thick today. But yeah, like we went up to the lake, and it was a teeny bit frozen. It's been about a week or so since we left. We went last Sunday, and it was more colder up there, of course, because it's up north. And went up there, was gonna try putting the seats on the new boat. We ended up getting some new seats for our fishing boat. Do an update about that, and start getting some racks for the kayak. Do some videos at the lake, posting up there, you know, our dog Solo. But I'm right now there's currently a position if anybody wants to join me on these adventures, hang out, chill, go do some adventures. Gonna do a lot of stuff, and you know, just have a good old time. Go out to lunch, chill. You know, I'm down for anything, guys. If you guys want to chill, just hit me up. Facebook, Randy Wurst, WURSZT. But yeah, guys, it's the river. Hit me up on Facebook. I do have Snap, and I don't remember the name of it because I don't really use Snap. I do have Instagram. Hashtag Vida a los Trocas. De los Vida _a_los_trocas. And there's no underscore after the trocas. So it's Vida a las Trocas. And it's my name, Randy Wurst. Hit me up on Instagram. Message me for some ideas, like, hey, you think you could do a video going to this place or that place? And I'll be like, hell yeah, I'm down. I'm always down to chill, always here to have a good time. Love coming down here, guys. And I'm gonna put some music in this video, make it more a little lively. I already have a good suggestion of some songs, but hopefully Tuesday, I don't work Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, but Tuesday I could bring my boy Joe down here, my other friend, show him the river, chill, do some videos over here, maybe do some hiking videos too, because I think it's going to be a nice day. Maybe a little bit windy tomorrow, but we'll have to see. But today's just a gorgeous day. It's a little bit cloudy, but yeah, guys, had a nice coffee today. And guys, I totally recommend this today. I went to Dunkin', any of your local Dunkin' Donuts you can go to, and I had the avocado toast, roasted tomato. Best toast I've ever had. The avocado is fresh, the toast is brilliant, and the roasted tomato just puts the fire on it. Man, it was just fire. It was so freaking good. It was so fire. But totally recommend it. Go to your local Dunkin' and try it. I totally recommend it. I might actually set up my vape again, but I don't know if y'all know, vaping's not allowed in Massachusetts, or not sure how the laws require. I'm gonna have to look that up later. But yeah, guys, might have to go to Connecticut or New Hampshire, take a trip up to Manchester, New Hampshire, check out some vape shops, order some new parts, do some vaping down here, bring the brewskis, maybe a grill. I might set up a little propane grill, come down here, chill, have a good time, have some burgers, have some lunch. If you guys want to do that, hit me up. We'll meet up, chill. Hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on Facebook. those are the two places out. Facebook right now, I only have Messenger. Just hit me up, Randy Wurst, WURSZT, SZT. But yeah, guys, back at the river, 2022. Beautiful, beautiful day. Absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite spots, definitely. It's close, it's right in town. And maybe later, go down to the orchard over there. If you guys see the spot way over there, let me zoom in. Right over there. Nice spot too. Maybe go over there, and then you could definitely see this spot too, right across the river. Beautiful area, guys. I'd love to go down to the Leap, but it's kind of risky because of what happened last time. But guys, please like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Hope you guys like the waterfall. I'm about to go down there again, just chill, hang out, and check out the waterfall. And but yeah, guys, if you guys are interested in coming down here, if you guys live close in the Western Mass area, mainly I'm up in Shutesbury, but if you guys are up in Franklin County, Hampshire County, hit me up. Definitely, we'll chill, come down to the waterfall, chill, have some brews, just have a good time, maybe come down and have a fire. Just gotta be careful, there's a lot of houses around here and everything. It's a great chill spot, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Couldn't ask for a better day to come to the river, and it's flowing like crazy. Gonna do a little more venturing right now, and then probably I'll head back up, do a little cruising, maybe go to the park, or maybe go to the other side of the orchard, check it out over there. But yeah, guys, the river. And update also, might be getting a nitro truck. I will update you guys on that one. Absolutely. Might do a nitro, might start doing nitro videos. It's a $400 nitro car, but might do a little save in a couple weeks. Maybe it'll take a little while, but no problem. Might do some nitro car videos. Come down here, make a track. And today, I also, while I'm actually doing these videos, might take a hike today in my backyard, but there's a path in my backyard that goes all the way to the power line. So I might do some hiking at the power lines today, might doing some hiking over at Belchertown today. So I'll definitely update you on those, new video. But yeah, guys, this is it. Our dog chilling at the waterfall, back at it 2022, guys. Might do a solo reel, but like I said, if you guys ever want to come down here and chill, be sure to bring your boots. I recommend chips. Absolutely. Definitely get some chips, guys. Nice long pants. I got my bootcut jeans. Nice Duramax hoodie. Representa la Polska. Sota curva. But yeah, guys, back at the river, 2022. Absolutely gorgeous today, guys. Look at it. Look at that roaring. Bam! Man, this shit's fire over here today, guys. Fire. Fire, fire. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at all this waterfall. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Good spot to go over there, guys, but it's best not to go. You got some waterproof boots, that's fine, but still, it's very risky over here. You could slip and fall. But anyway, guys, we're about to go back right now, troop it back up the hill, go back to the house, maybe do a little hiking today. But today's an absolutely beautiful day, guys. You know, it's funny. I'm doing these videos, and I listen to my old videos all day. And I'm thinking to myself, you know what? Today, we're going to go to the river, have a good old time. Go down to the river, maybe come back here, have some brewskis, maybe check back later if Dee's home. He probably don't want to hang out and stuff, but it's all good. Interesting. What's over here? But anyway, guys, doing some little trooping and hiking over here. Might do some power line videos today. Check it out over there. Do some hiking maybe at Belchertown over there. Oh, the curva match. A golf ball. Oh yeah, a golf ball. Yep. balls. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's the spot. So now I touch it, but nah, that's okay. We're gonna troop back up the hill. It's very treacherous, guys. You guys come down here, hang out, get drunk. Strongly recommend. Be careful going back up the hill. Slip, fall, hurt yourself. But right now, we're gonna troop it back up this hill, all the way to the top. You can take that way. We got this way too. Ugh. But yeah, guys, it's the best spot. One of my favorite chill spots. Always love to come here, chill, think. But look at this, guys. 2 graffitis. Last time we came here, it looked different. You can check out our last previous videos. It was different, but yeah, it was different. But Salem came back and tagged again. I think that's a Salem. Yeah, Salem. That one's Salem too. So whoever Salem is, nice tag, man. That's a real nice tag. That's what's up. And you know what's cool? It's not like the Ludlow closed it off here. Awesome place to hang out. Awesome place to chill. So right now we're gonna hike it back up. Take one more look at the river. Hike it back up. Hike it back to the car. And then might do a second video later. Gotta see what time it is. Gotta see what's going on with Morgs. And see if she wants to come down to the waterfall before she has to go home today. No problem, but I'm always down for hiking, guys. Absolutely. Chill, hike, fish, hunt. No matter what it is, guys, I'm always down. Hit me up. If you guys want to chill, do anything. But it looks like it's clearing up a little bit. But yeah, guys, gonna take one last look at the river. Troop it back up. Had a good time already here at the river. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. That's the river, guys. Our next tomorrow we might head over to today still might head over to there. We're at the bridge, and I might come back later today in the evening, hike it. You see all the steam and everything like that because water's flowing real heavy today. Oh, kurwa mać. See, when I told you guys, you got to be careful. I almost slipped on that rock. I'm gonna face first in the river. Don't want that. Yep, this is a nice ledge to chill on. Some photos. Absolutely, guys. Beautiful day for the river. The Chicopee River, guys. And this is probably going to go on my new account. I'm going to probably make it today. Switch up the name. I think it's Kanete Tachibana, but I'm going to have to change it. And I also have lighthouse75@gmail.com, and I might switch that up today to do just a solo R-Dog account, but I'm going to probably have that. So actually, you know, now I'm thinking about it. Guys, if you guys want to get in touch with me, I think it's Sunset Lighthouse or Lighthouse. You know what? No, wait. Lighthouse75@gmail.com. Can't be Sunset, but I'll update you guys with the new with the new link to send me to send me questions, comments, concerns about these videos that I'm going to start posting up. New channel, new start. Might add some more to the D-Shiz one, but for right now, take some of these videos, upload them, and hopefully comment, like, subscribe. These are going on YouTube for right now. Haven't been on Facebook, delete the Facebook app. But anyway, let me know what you guys think of the river. Let me know, ask questions or anything. But right now, we're going to troop it back up. Long day at work, guys. Long day at work. Stowing all those packages, heavy packages. Working at Amazon, guys. Big company. Doing all those packages. And I still got the energy to come down here to the river. Woo! Yeah, guys. That's the spot. Climb the wall. Beautiful day. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So, guys, see that hill? Troop all the way back up there. So probably in the summer, guys, we're gonna come back. Bought a machete. I'm gonna probably swoop it back up, guys. Man, this takes a lot of energy of you. Whew. Oh, that's a big hill, guys. Real big hill. Of course, I can still do it, guys. Hell yeah. All right, dog. Right now, I'm live at the river. Take one last look at the river today. Beautiful. Might come back today, guys. Or we might do some trooping in my backyard. But tomorrow I got work. Again, tonight. Tonight I actually have work. But, sorry, I'm just catching my breath. But yeah, tonight we got work. Tomorrow we might do some more hiking. Might go up to the lake today. Maybe. But for right now, trooping it back up. You know, check out the spot. Check out the, what is it? The trail for the, I think the trail was down there. You leave down there. I think. But no, this is the spot, guys. We're going to do our nitros. Clear all some stuff out. Take some rakes, stuff for this and that. Chill. Unfortunately, my best friend Morgs is actually going to Texas next week. And Morgan, I did want to tell you before you go, and I mean this honestly because I'm your bestie. Bestie, I love you. And I really, really hope you have a good time. I care a lot about you. And I know I said before, I just don't want this guy, this jerk guy or guy, you don't really know him. But like, anyway, really hope you have a good time, Morgan. Let me know how it goes. You know I always got your back. Your boy, our dog. Really hope you have a good time, Morgan. Your bestie loves you. Loves you so much. But hope you can come down today or maybe tomorrow or hopefully before Wednesday you can come down here and we can chill at the river. This should be our new spot, Morgan. This should be our new spot and we can chill. Hell yeah, it's close. Don't have to walk far. Chill, come down here, just have a good time. But otherwise, you know, because right now, you guys know, I'll give you an update actually. Right now, gas prices are off the roof. Surprisingly today, I was driving over in my town, coming out the pike. Gas has dropped down to $4.09. And the other day, it was up to $4.16. So it is starting to drop down again, which is good. Very good. Hopefully, Biden gets his fucking ass in gear and starts lowering the gas prices. We start saving more. And today I'm going to give you guys an update on the Nissan. Did a lot of work on it lately. Stickers, decals here and there and this and that. And I'm going to give you guys an update. I already showed you guys, but today I'm going to do a update video on the Nissan. Might pick up some red paint today and do a special surprise. Do some little painting work today. Beautiful day, not a wicked small breeze. Hopefully it doesn't rain because I'm gonna may do some painting in the cellar for a little surprise that I think we're going the right way, guys. I think. If not, yeah, we're going the right way, absolutely. Yeah, but anyway, guys, doing a small update for the Nissan today. It's going to really stand out nice. Picking up the red paint. But that's all I need. That's all the info I'm going to give you guys. Anyway. So the curva from Perdolis curva. Yeah, guys, I can back up. I think this is the path back up. Because I don't see... Oh, yeah, here it is. I think. The curva Perdolis. Oh, curva. I think this is the path back up, guys. But I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I lost it. But anyway, oh yeah, here we go, guys. Path back up to the car. Hope you guys liked the river video today. Had a great time at the river today. Like I said, might come back to later today. Beautiful day. Almost April, guys. March 25th, 2022. Back at the river 22. Our dog solo. I hope you guys having a great Sunday. And I will be making another video today. do another hiking video. But for today, hope you guys are having a great day. Do a small little update on the Nissan. Show you guys the Nissan before I leave. Maybe take a trip back to the house. Check out stuff over there. But yeah, guys, River 2022. Back at it. Hiking back up to Dee's crib. If you guys can see, yep, there's the Nissan. Do a small little update. Show you guys the Nissan real quick before I head out. You know, the red logo actually does stick out a lot. So I might be doing a small update today. Surprise for you guys. But hope you guys are having a great day. And I hope to see you soon. But here's the Nissan, guys. That's what it's looking like so far. I'll do some more in-depth tour later when I get home. But for right now, I'll show you guys around the Nissan. All right, guys, I'm about to head out. Like I said, I hope you guys have a great Saturday. Might be back here tonight. Might be back here tomorrow. Don't know, but I'll give you guys an update, and we have an update video coming today. If not, I'll see you guys real soon. Happy Saturday, and I hope you guys have a great Sunday. Our dog out.